Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade sorbet with frozen fruit. First, ensure your fruit is completely frozen for the best texture. Next, have your food processor or a powerful blender ready to go. You'll also want a small amount of liquid on hand, like water or a splash of juice, to help achieve that perfect, smooth consistency. This simple method yields delicious results every time. Now, let's get blending. Place about 2 cups of your chosen frozen fruit into the food processor. Start pulsing, and as the fruit breaks down, slowly add 1 to 2 tablespoons of liquid. This helps create a creamy, scoopable texture. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl often to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. Keep blending until it's smooth. Once your sorbet reaches a smooth consistency, give it a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, now is the time to add a tablespoon of honey, maple syrup, or a sugar substitute. Blend for just a few more seconds to fully mix in the sweetener. You can enjoy your sorbet immediately for a soft-serve treat, or transfer it to a freezer-safe container for about 30 minutes to achieve a firmer scoop. Here are a few extra tips for your sorbet journey. Don't be afraid to mix and match different frozen fruits to discover your favorite flavor combinations. For an even creamier sorbet, try using a splash of coconut milk instead of water. It adds a wonderful richness. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after your sorbet adventures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.